Hello, little learners! Are you ready for a fun Days of the Week quiz? Let's see how many days you remember. Get ready!
Let's go!
What comes after Tuesday? You're right! Wednesday. Good job! The day before Friday is... Great! Thursday. Awesome! Okay. The day that follows Monday is... Awesome job! It's Tuesday. You're right. Okay, here we go. Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Great job. Now our last question. The day after Wednesday is... Very good. Thursday. Awesome. Wow, you did an amazing job. You know your days of the week so well. Now this is the perfect time for our Days of the Week song. Don't forget to practice every day, and we'll see you next time for more fun learning.
Hello, little friends. Let's sing Days of the Week song.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Days of the week, days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Days of the week, days of the